Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am in Pune right now and I decided to vlog my entire 3-day journey, and this is the third part of this series. Make sure to check out the first two videos to stay in the loop. And right now I'm heading over to JW Marriott Hotel for an event by SEP, which is School of European Pastry, and I've been invited there by Chef Vikas. I'm really looking forward to the event because they're going to teach a lot of cool stuff and I'm going to meet them again. So yeah, let's go to JW Marriott. This is the mold of the cake that we are going to use. Okay, this is slightly smaller than the insert that we use. Okay, so you have to take a cutter, cookie cutter, and cut. The last time when I had come to Vaishali was I think 4 years back, and now I'm here again for shooting this video basically so that I can tell you guys where to visit when you're in Pune. There's always a long waiting here, so I've been waiting for 15 minutes right now. I finally got a seat. Now let's order something. So I've ordered a Mysore masala dosa along with some filter coffee, which is like their famous items. So my Mysore masala dosa is here and it's absolutely huge. To be very honest, for the price which they are asking, it's really good and I am really excited to try this out. My coffee is also here and the quantity of the coffee is again very huge compared to the price. This is like a very basic place, but the food is really great and it's a very iconic place in Pune. I've been here as well long back, and today I'm going to order their very famous bun maska along with 1 or 2 other dishes. Also guys, the event at SEP was really amazing. Chef Vikas and the other 2 chefs were really great, and I also got to learn a little bit new things from them today, but other than that it was really fun. And so right now I have ordered some bun maska with cheese along with some chai, which is their famous item. I'm not ordering anything much because I'm already half full, but I have to go to more places today, so I don't want to be completely full. That's why we're just ordering a few items. I'm pretty sure it's not good to have tea just after coffee, but I think मैं बस ये अभी try करने वाला हूँ because यहाँ पे बहुत famous है, और जब मैं last time आया था मुझे काफ़ी अच्छी लगी थी यहाँ की चाय. Also ये bun maska के साथ एक बहुत अच्छा combination है, so I cannot skip it. So I've ordered the iconic bun maska with cheese. The cheese is not iconic, but मैंने order किया है, और maska का basic मतलब है butter. So this is really famous in any kind of Irani cafes, similar to like we went on that day to Woman Cafe. और काफ़ी सारा भर के इसमें बटर और चीज़ डाला है इन्होंने. इसको मैं चाय के साथ एंजॉय करूँगा अभी. You can just see how much of butter and cheese is there inside the bun. और इसको खाने का सही तरीका ऐसा है कि आप इसको चाय में डिप करिए और फिर खाइए. ये है इसका असली तरीका. To be honest, बहुत मज़ा आया बन मस्का खा के चाय के साथ, बट मुझे पार्सल करना पड़ा थोड़ा सा बिकॉज इट वॉज टू हैवी. और अंदर एक भैया बैठे थे एंड ही वॉज हैविंग डोसा ओवर देयर, एंड आई टोल्ड हिम भैया आप वैशाली क्यों नहीं जाते डोसा खाने. तो ही ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड laughing because he had no idea that Vaishali is a place. After having 2 really good meals at Vaishali and Good Luck, मैं अभी आया हूँ Le Placide, which is a very famous place near FC Road near Deccan Gymkhana. और मैं यहाँ पहली बार जा रहा हूँ, बट आई हैव हर्ड सो मैनी गुड रिव्यूज़ फ्रॉम अ लॉट ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स. तो चलते हैं अंदर और कुछ ऑर्डर करते हैं जो भी वहाँ फेमस होगा. So we have Anurag with us once again and we have ordered some harissa chicken with a side of mashed potatoes and grilled vegetables. The waiter here told us that this is their best seller, which is why I have ordered this. Anurag has also ordered some peach iced tea and it's one of my favorite iced tea flavors. कैसी है? अच्छी है? Refreshing.
बहुत बढ़िया.
चलो बढ़िया है. It also has mint I think. अच्छी बात है जो कि freshness add होती है थोड़ी. So in dessert I've ordered a classic New York cheesecake because I really love it and it's one of their best sellers, as well as a coffee panna cotta which is on its way, and the peach iced tea was really amazing, as well as this harissa chicken. It is really creamy guys, I just can't wait to try this out. So the espresso panna cotta is here and it is one of their most famous dishes. I'm really excited to try this one. Let's see how it turns out. It's silky smooth guys and it is really soft.
वो मेरे को उस टाइप का लगा जरा.
वो भी दूधी है ना. So La Taseer was honestly one of the best places I've visited in Pune so far. They had the best food and the total bill was only around 1100, which is quite affordable for 4 items. और यहाँ पे जो पैना कोटा था ना, that is so much worth trying. मुझे honestly इतनी expectations नहीं थी because I'm not a big panna cotta fan, but I really loved it. और चीज़ केक भी बहुत अच्छा था, बहुत क्रीमी था. चिकन वॉज सो गुड एंड द पीच आइस टी वॉज रियली ग्रेट एज वेल. सो अब हम जा रहे हैं ईरानी कैफ़े विच इज़ जस्ट नियर बाय टू ला तसीर. आई हैव कम टू ईरानी कैफ़े विच इज़ जस्ट ऑन प्रभात रोड नियर FC रोड और काफ़ी भरी हुई जगह लग रही है. आई हैव नेवर बीन हियर. लेट्स गो इनसाइड. तो हम लोग आए ईरानी कैफ़े और पेट पूरा भरा हुआ है अनुराग का भी और मेरा भी. तो हम लोग लैमिंगटन केक ट्राई कर रहे हैं क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत फेमस मिलता है ये, और साथ में चाय ले रहे हैं. अगर भूख लगी तो फिर कुछ और भी ऑर्डर करेंगे. सो हमारी चाय भी आ गई है और ये लैमिंगटन केक है. अभी इसको ट्राई करके देखते हैं. बहुत अच्छी चाय है, बस थोड़ा सा शुगर मेरे हिसाब से ज़्यादा है. इफ़ यू वांट लो शुगर यू कैन टेल देम. और लैमिंगटन केक भी है यहाँ पे, ये भी ट्राई करते हैं. एक ऑस्ट्रेलियन टाइप का केक होता है और यहाँ पे काफ़ी जगह पे मिलता है पुणे में, बट स्पेशली यहाँ पे बहुत फेमस है. देखिए अंदर से कैसा है. सो अंदर स्पंज है इसके अंदर और बाहर भी चॉकलेट है. बहुत सॉफ्ट केक है, बहुत मॉइस्ट है, रियली अमेजिंग. देखिए अंदर से कितना अच्छा लग रहा है, एकदम जूसी केक है. So guys, I am also here at Food Junction. It is in Kalyani Nagar. और अभी अंदर जाके देखते हैं क्या क्या अच्छा है यहाँ पे लेने के लिए. As you know, I really love grocery shopping and pantry shopping. So this is one of the best recommendations by people in Kalyani Nagar. So now I'm walking towards Piattos, which is one of the other places which my friend suggested, and I'm looking forward to that place because I heard that they have really good dessert. So after that I have my flight back to Nagpur and I'm carrying my luggage. So it's a little inconvenient, but I'm sure that it's going to be worth it. Let's go to Piattos now. One more thing is that Piattos was supposed to be closed today, but my friend actually arranged and opened it. So that's a really special treatment that I'm getting today. So really excited to have all their amazing food. And that's Piatto. So this looks like a really great place and we have ordered 2 coffees till now. Let's see what we have in dessert. So guys, this is Faran from Piattos and he has brought so many desserts for us. And let's see which ones we are going to try. This lemon meringue, this
cheesecake with lemon curd and meringue on top.
Amazing.
That's nutty chocolate.
Nutty chocolate, and these are gelatos.
Yeah, those are gelatos which we make it in house. That's a sorbet, dark chocolate sorbet.
Dark
made
chocolate
with
sorbet.
Water and chocolate only. There's no milk.
And what is this?
This is one of our signature dessert. It's a dark chocolate mousse gluten-free dessert.
It looks like an entree, I guess.
Yeah, it's a petit gâteau basically.
Okay, yeah.
So we specialize in petit gâteau.
Okay.
Few of the versions have given you only one of the petit gâteaux. We also
Thanks
do
a lot
offer.
for giving only one because we are really full. But all of this looks really nice. Thanks
so
a lot.
much.
So I'm really confused about what to try. All of this looks really great. I think I'll be trying one of each. So let's start with one gelato or even sorbet works, as well as one macaron and this signature dish of them, which is basically a chocolate mousse based dessert. So I'm going to try this sorbet as well as that gelato. Let's see how it is. If he had told me that this is a sorbet, I would have thought that it's a gelato. It's so creamy. Even though it's vegan, it's really creamy and really flavorful. Thumbs up from my side. Now let's try the gelato. I think both of them are really nice, but I prefer the sorbet over the gelato. Overall, really great. Correct. And you also get to learn more when you teach
And you
people.
learn more and people will remember. That's the reason whoever comes, I try to teach as much as I know.
So guys, this is their signature dish. What's the name, Smaran?
That's intense dark chocolate.
Okay.
So it has gluten-free sponge.
Okay.
With 70% crema and 55% dark chocolate.
And it has the perfect shine on it. So that glaze is looking really good.
Thanks.
You know I love macarons, तो ये वाला भी try करके देखते हैं. I'm trying their chocolate macaron. You can see the texture is really nice. बिल्कुल hollow नहीं है. बहुत अच्छा texture है. And they are using Italian meringue, which is why I even like it even more. बहुत अच्छा है. So guys, with that everything is done. I have just left Piatto's. It was really good. The owner here is really sweet as well. He opened the place just for me for today. So that was really sweet of him. Make sure to give this place a try and try out all of the desserts. Even the coffee is lovely. Now I'll be heading over to the airport and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned to my channel for more such videos. Bye.